Siguro public corruption, yung agricultural smuggling, which is issue karon nato. And siguro white collar crimes and cyber crimes. Public corruption, anti-smuggling, white collar crimes.
Sir Gian.
And aside from that, also there's also a major concern now for us, crimes involving national security and interest. I've been signed in Mindanao. One of the problems na to karon siguro dili kayo mako na to sa panis. Ani dito? Foreign nationals intrusion on our national economy and patrimony. So, when I was assigned in Mindanao, nag-focus po kami sa whole dito sa region, including other NBI officers na bitaw, Filipino, mga foreign nationals nga naging Filipino citizen. Kasi once you've been Filipino national, you can now involve on our everything that sa ato politika, environment. You can now purchase real estate. You can now invest on anything kung Filipino citizen na ka.